Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The plan is to have the dragon fruit trellis around here. We are going to use the 4x4 for the vertical chainsaw because I don't really use it anymore. The problem now is I have to dig it back up. Let's get digging. I got my workout in for the day. Initially, we had 3 cinder blocks down there. When I took out the first one, I was able to pretty easily wiggle out the 4x4. I am definitely not digging up the other 2, so they will remain buried for a while. Let's head inside and do some research. I actually didn't do any other research for this because this is my wife's project. She did all the research, ended up really liking this one. We have the 4x4, so it looks like we just need a couple 2x4s. I don't think I should struggle too much with this. Let's go pick them up. Just got back from Home Depot. We are using redwood conifers. They didn't have cedar, but according to the quick internet, they are about the same, and both will be pretty good with rot resistance. Going to measure out how big the base is. Let's start making some cuts. I have most of the pieces cut, still have a bunch of 2.5-inch wood screws from the Adirondack chairs, the impact driver, drill, 18-inch pieces, 9-inch pieces for the bottom. The 4x4 I cut into a 5-foot. Let's get some assembly going. That was one of the easier builds I've had done. On the bottom, we have those 9-inch pieces to make a nice windmill. Up here, 2 fasteners for each part. And we are pretty much all done. Video 78 done.